Top 10 Best Home Remedies for Cough That Really Work. Many of us often feel irritated and burdened when we have a cough. But what we don't realize is that it is actually a natural reflex that protects your lungs. Yes, it helps to clear up all the lung irritants, mucus and smoke in lungs, thus preventing our lungs from infection. But if you are having a persistent cough, or a dry cough, this might be a symptom of medical problems such as bronchitis or pneumonia. Causes of coughing occurs when the ends of our airways become irritated. There are 3 stages of cough: acute, subacute and chronic, depending on how long it lasts. An acute cough is often caused by cold and other respiratory infections like the pneumonia. It lasts less than 3 weeks. A subacute cough remains even after cold and respiratory infections, and normally lasts within 3 to 8 weeks. And a chronic cough is usually caused by asthma, upper airway cough syndrome and other respiratory disorders. This type normally lasts more than 8 weeks. Other causes of coughing include smoking, and nasal discharge. 1. Thyme. Thyme is a well-known traditional home remedy to treat cough and other respiratory illness like bronchitis and pneumonia. Make a tea out of 2 teaspoons of crushed thyme leaves in 1 cup of boiling water. Cover the cup, let it steep for 10 minutes, and then strain the tea. This tea will give an instant relief. 2. Flax seeds plus honey plus lemon. This drink will soothe your tracheal tract and really works for bad cough. Honey and lemon will act as a mild antibiotic. All that you need to do is just boil 3 tablespoons of flax seeds in a cup of water until it becomes thick. Strain and add on 3 tablespoons of honey and lemon juice each. Take 1 tablespoon of this as needed. 3. Black pepper. This is a traditional Chinese medicine that works wonders on relieving your problem. Make some tea out of 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper and 2 tablespoons of honey. Just place these ingredients in a cup. Fill the cup with boiling water and cover it. Let it steep for about 15 minutes and strain. You may sip this tea as needed. 4. Lemon. Lemon is a mild antibiotic. It will help your antibodies to fight against the bacteria that caused the infection of your airways. Cut a quarter of a lemon, sprinkle lots of black pepper and salt on it. Then suck it for an instant relief. 5. Warm milk. This is another popular folk cure. Sip some warm milk that is sweetened with 2 tablespoons of honey. This will really help your cough. 6. Ground almonds. You might want to try this too. Many say it works. Blend a few teaspoons of finely ground almonds with a cup of orange juice. Sip this for relief. 7. Holy basil leaves. This will not only help your cough, but also flu and sore throat. You can either chew the leaves as it is, or may make a paste out of it. You may add a teaspoon of honey to the paste. Take a tablespoon of this as needed. 8. Maple syrup. Yes, maple syrup too may help in relieving cough. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda into ½ cup of maple syrups and mix them well. Later, take a spoonful of this each time needed. 9. Onions. Grate an onion into a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of honey. Allow it to sit until the syrup forms. Strain this, and take a teaspoon each time needed. This is a traditional Bosnian remedy and works every time. 10. Ginger plus lemon plus honey. Make some homemade ginger tea. Strain it into a cup. Later, add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of honey into the tea. Mix well and sip it warm. This will also bring an instant relief to your cough.